In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up instant replay in OBS. First, open OBS Studio, then go to File, Settings, then Output. Change Output Mode to Advanced. Now, select Replay Buffer tab. Check Enable Replay Buffer. Set maximum replay time, like for example 30 to 60 seconds depending on how long you want your instant replays. Now, go back to Settings, then press Hotkeys. Find Save Replay, then assign a hotkey like for example R to save instant replays while recording or streaming. Now, on OBS main window, click Start Replay Buffer next to the Start Recordings or Streaming. Now, OBS will keep the last 30 to 60 seconds ready to be saved. Press your hotkey whenever you want to capture an instant replay. OBS will save it as a video file automatically. And that's it. That's how to set up instant replay in OBS.